It came to my mail. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Dun, 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 dun. What's inside, guys? So what's inside? Leave your comments down below. Okay, what's inside? What's inside? Ooh. Oh no! So guys, finally, we are gonna open this box. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. What's inside? Yay! So finally, guys, I was able to get this drone finally. So it's the DJI Mini-2. So I ordered the Fly More combo. So it's a bundle. So let's just take this out. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, plus I also ordered the memory card. So it's heavy. 249 grams ultralight. But this one's heavy because it has, like, as you can see in the picture, there's like 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. The remote. The drone, the charger, this extra propellers, the thing that you put here in case your drone crashes and this one breaks. Here you'll have extra 6 ones. So
a few moments later,
you know what, guys, I should buy a cutter. I think it would be easier to open, to unbox things if you have a cutter instead of a scissor. I think I should get that one. Oh no. Here we go again, having a hard time. This is very useful, but you know, my hands are kind of clammy. So it leaves prints, but it does disappear immediately after. So let's see what's inside, guys. So this is a zipper bag, and this is really very handy. Like, look. You can bring this one. This is really nice and very compact. This is not too big. Look at my hands. Yeah, it's not too big. So you have to open this on both sides. Yeah. Ooh, yay! So first one is the this is the remote. This is not too heavy. It feels compact, but it's not heavy at all. So there's the filters. I think cine it means cinematic, and this one's sport, normal. And the second one is the this bag is really nice. It has like a division pad grip. So your things doesn't go all over the place. Oh no, I ripped it. Clumsy. DJI app as well, so you can download this through the App Store and Google Play. So yeah, I'm gonna read this one later. You also have DJI support by Messenger. So all the paper stuff is here. So this is the accessories. So I guess we have the battery inside. Okay. So this is the Type-C charger. So if you're connecting the remote to a Type-C cell phone, then this is the one that you're gonna use. Yeah. Type-C. I think it has different cords here. Okay, this is your charger, USB type, and it's Type-C. So it's handy because I have Type-C charger too. Oh, okay, this is a different one. Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on. These are old Type-C. This one's the older version. Charger. I don't know what type this is. This is the older one. Oh my god. And I think, is there still another one? Oh, there's nothing for iPhone? Oh no. Let's see. Those are the accessories. There's nothing inside anymore. Okay. And this is, I guess this is the battery. Oh, okay. So it has 2 more extra batteries since I assume the third one is here in the remote already. So these are 2 extra batteries. Yes. So you know what? At first I was just thinking of getting the DJI Mini, not the combo one. How do I remove this? I do not know. I'll figure it out. Oh, I see. I don't want to ruin this. I haven't used this yet and then ruin it. Anyway, I'm gonna get that one soon. So, remote charger, USB cords. I thought there was like a, oh okay. So here on this compartment you have the extra propellers. How do I say it? Extra whatever. It's the extra propeller. So you have 1, 2, 3. have a mini screw and also a mini screw. And last but not the least, the amazing DJI Mini-2 drone. Wow, look at that, guys. Charge to activate battery before first time use. Open the cover and press and hold the battery release button and remove the battery. Figure that out later. This strap really comes in handy because it keeps the drone, keeps the propellers from moving everywhere. So, ooh, nice. Nice. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yes. So it keeps the propellers from moving everywhere. So that strap is really handy. Just look. It just wiggles all over. If you don't have that strap, it just wiggles. And it can cause it to break if you don't have that strap. Yes, I'm really glad DJI has included that strap on their fly mode combo. There's the camera, guys. You can see it. I'm gonna focus it. There's the camera. 4K. It's 4K camera. Ooh, this is amazing. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. Please don't. Oh, okay. Shoot, why do I have to? Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. I didn't follow the numbers. I'm supposed to move it this way first, but it's still like number 1. So, unfold the front and forward. Oh no, unfold the front arms forward. So this is Mini-2. So yeah, so this one first. Yep. And then this is number 2. Unfold the rear arms downwards. Yay. Wow, guys, look how small this is. Like, look at the palm of my hand. It fits the palm in my hand, and I cannot believe this is like the quality of this camera is like 4K and this small. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this drone. It's gonna be my first time. This is my first time owning a drone. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be my first time flying a drone soon. So this is where you where you charge. And this is where you put the USB. I assume memory card. and let's see what's below. I think this is the sensor. Yeah, both sensors. And the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this one, guys. Yay! Finally, I have the DJI Mini-2 drone. So if you have questions, guys, just leave your comments down below or questions. Let's double check. Is there anything else inside? Is there anything else inside about? I think there is nothing in the compartment. But this bag is really handy and it feels durable. Like, look, this is thick. It feels durable. If you go out, we'll just bring this bag. So it has like 1, 2, 3 compartments. Is there some? Oh! And you can also put stuff here. Wow! This bag is really a plus for this set. So guys, that's it. That's my unboxing video. I hope you enjoy. For those people who are planning to buy the DJI Mini-2, so that's what's inside, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. This is So in Canada. I will upload a test video of using this drone soon, so I'm pretty excited. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.